Hey everyone, welcome to day 13 of my coding learning journey. Today I learned a couple new things for my learning to learning techniques, and also I implemented a couple more things in Python. But today I'm going to go through a crash course of a certain thing that helps with learning and can keep you going in the future. So yeah, let's go ahead and talk about it. This is the Feynman Technique. Right now I have Coggle uploaded. It's going to show you in simpler terms how to use the Feynman technique and what you guys can do in the future for this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Basically the Feynman technique is a mental model breakdown of thought process, and it's also a very good studying method which I'll be using for studying in the future. You guys can go ahead and get the Coggle that I create down below in the link, and I'll leave that for you guys. Yeah, so it's actually used for new concepts. You basically store up knowledge gaps, which is also seen as targeted learning. So let's go ahead and do a quick breakdown of the steps you need for this. So first step, can you identify the subject? What's the subject you have at hand? Let me go ahead and actually add this. So yeah, we're going to add Python as the subject at hand. Next, teach it to a child. Can you teach the small concept to a child? Say you're going to teach Python to a small child. How would you start? So I guess for me, I would start with Python introduction. Perfect. That works, right? All right. After, you want to identify your knowledge. Are you able to explain this fully? Do you have the knowledge to properly process this into words? And the fourth would be organize, simplify, and then tell a story. So organizing it, as you can see, you can go ahead and drag it around with Python introduction. Let's go ahead and add another one. We'll just add in Python basics. And look, it's a little smaller one. You can drag it around. This is basically organization for it. Say I was to make another like little tree part off, we can go ahead and add in developer environment. Perfect. See, we can move this one around too, however we want. And we can also have it go off of different small parts, like say we have Python introduction, and then we also have developer environment next to it. We'll actually put that right here. Perfect. And simplify. Is this simple enough for how we broke it down to explain it to someone? If I was to explain to someone Python introduction, obviously I would want to start with something smaller as far as Python basics. So it's just starting from the smallest point and then delving out more. Let's have something else coming off of Python basics. Say we want to add in generators. Or here, we'll actually do decoration. We'll do air handling. This will work well with our Python basics. So we'll have a little branch coming off of that. Let's see, we can add another coming off of Python basics. We could add in debugging. These are just small little things that you can have coming off. Obviously, this is not what I'll be uploading, but I'm just giving you a quick view over. And then next is have it tell a story. So here we start with Python. We're going through Python introduction. Are you able to continue with the story, talking from your main subject all the way down to the smallest bits? Yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for day 13. I just wanted to give you a really quick show on how to use Coggle. I hope you guys also use Coggle, as this is a very important way to learn, or you can just use the Feynman technique in many different ways. I hope you guys are able to get a much better mental breakdown for what you are learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay learning, and I'll see you next time.